Seesaw is a secure online learning platform which is being used by some of our primary schools across the Cairns Diocese. Seesaw is a simple way for teachers and students to record and share what's happening in the classroom. Seesaw gives students a place to document their learning, be creative and learn how to use technology. Each student gets their own journal and will add things to it like photos, videos, drawings or notes. When there are new Seesaw posts, families can be notified via an app notification, email or SMS. Parents are only notified about their own child's work and all data is safe and secure. Many primary schools across the Cairns Diocese use Seesaw as a communication tool. Some schools have gone further and use Seesaw as a place for students to learn and to document their learning. Seesaw is a platform for student engagement that inspires students of all ages to do their best and save teachers time. Students use creative tools to take pictures, draw, record videos and more to capture learning in a portfolio. Teachers find or create activities to share with students. Only parents or legal guardians can access their child's work through the Seesaw Family app. For them, it is a platform to engage in their child's learning and communicate with the class teacher. It allows students to take control of their own learning through an online platform. Parents can engage in their child's learning by providing feedback to their children. Students will log into their Seesaw account and see assigned tasks and activities that they will be able to complete and respond to. Parents can continue to engage in their child's learning via the Seesaw Family app. The platform is available for access via the Seesaw website and also the Seesaw Family app, which many families are already using. For students to access Seesaw, they will need to download the Student Class app onto their device if they haven't done so already. Schools and class teachers across the diocese will decide on how they want to use Seesaw in their at-home learning classes. If you are a parent already using Seesaw, continue to do so in the same way. Should your child's teacher wish for you to get more involved, they will contact you with instructions. Check out these links for more on Seesaw and how you can support your child's learning at home.